So here's another beautiful stone called desert rose. So just a little bit about desert rose. That way, a little more so becoming familiar with the stone. It does open spirituality. So it opens spirituality and opens all possibilities. A lot of people um, use the stone for jewelry making. So that's something else that they do. But it's definitely a beautiful stone, and how you can tell it's by its lines, So if you take a look here, um, that's how you can tell. This is it in its original form. So that's pretty, isn't it? And that was found in Mineral Mountain, Arizona. So that's desert rose, found in Mineral Mountain, Arizona. And I hope you guys enjoy. I'll chat with you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.